Good morning. I had a couple problems getting my mic on today, but I am here. We're starting at about 3 minutes late. Let's start our combination. Let's start off with knees. All right, so I'm going to do this combination only on one side because I want to get it all done. So arms up. This is a little more high intensity today. We're going to do 3 knees, 3 marches. So it's 1, 2, 3, march, march, march. 1, 2, 3. Now the good thing is I'm going to do it on both sides. Good morning. 1, 2. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this. 1, 2, 3. Back step it. Now you can turn there if you like. Let's do that again. I like the fact that it repeats. Sometimes I'll do a combination that just repeats right and left within the combination. One more time. Then march it out right here. We're going to take a step touch for step number 2. So it's same concept. 2 step touches and then 3 marches. So that way you can think the first 2 steps are the same. 1, 2, and touch. 2, 3 pushes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Notice it alternates. 1, 2, 3. March it out. Let's put those first 2 together. Knees, step touches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. March, march, march. Step touch right here, right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You could schnazz it up if you like. Then hold it there. That's the first 2 steps. Let's do that one more time. Knees up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. March, march, march. Again, you can back turn that. Step touch. 1, 2. Add shoulders and hips. Next step, march it out. So this is a simple step, but we're going to do it 4 times and change direction. It's a cha-cha mambo. Cha-cha is a triple step. Mambo is a 2-step. Here we go. Cha-cha. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's all it is. Triple, double. But here's what makes it fun. I'm going to make a square. 1 side, 1 front, 1 side, back. Now, I'm going to add turns to this just to show you what it would look like if you wanted to add turns. Cha-cha, turn, turn, back step, and then march it out. I'm going to add 1 more turn. So just think of the first turn as a pivot turn. Front, quarter, 3/4, quarter. That's manageable. Now you can do more. Let's put the whole thing together. 3 knees. Left hand up. 2, 3. March 3 times. Here comes the step touch 3 times. 1 more time. Then cha-cha mambo 3 times to the front, 1 time to the back. Step touch. That's it. 1 more step. We're cranking through it. Hamstring curl. So I'm going to do a 3 hamstring curl and then 2-step mambo. So some of the same skills from the last one. That way at least you keep it together. 3 of these. 1, 2, mambo 2. March, march. So 3 hamstrings. March, march. And what's great is you can turn that if you like. But I'm going to change the feet a little bit. 1 to the front mambo. 1 to the back mambo. Last one. Then I'm going to put it all together. Ready? Knees up. Right here. 1, 2, 3. March, march, march. Step, touch twice. March, march, march. Again. Cha-cha mambo 4 full times. Turn, turn, turn. Here we go. Hamstring. March, march front. Hamstring. March, march back. On from the top. Whew. Let's go. Got it a couple times. I'm going to have to finish. Tap. Quick combo. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha mambo. Here we go. Woo! Hamstring curl. Take it to the front. Hamstring push back. Knees up. Bam. All right, this is our last time through. step touch. Jazz it up. Push. Cha-cha, mambo. How about that turn? How about another turn? Turn again. Hamstring curl. Push to the front. Now again, I just did this to the right. You're going to have to do it to the left. So memorize it, teach it, or just have fun. One more. Tap it. Cha-cha. I gave you one bonus because I wasn't exactly sure what time I started. Hamstring curl. I hope you enjoyed this little combination. Friday stretching. Join me then. Bye, guys.